What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back on track with the cooking videos, but today's gonna be super simple. It's gonna be super simple, it's gonna be cute, it's gonna be good, and I'm excited because I'm ready to eat what I'm about to make. It's not even just make, it's going to like recreate a little Japanese cafe. I've been watching a ton of like Korean YouTubers or Korean YouTubers videos. Like I've just been binge watching them because they're cafe hopping. So they're going to different cafes in Seoul, getting cute pastries, cute sandwiches, cute drinks. Strictly Dumpling is out in Korea and Japan, going to convenience stores, buying sandwiches. And I was like, damn, those sandwiches look good. I miss eating those sandwiches. They got me hungry, and we don't have any type of cafes like that in America. So we're gonna make that today. Sandwiches are literally my favorite thing to eat. And I'm also gonna make two really cute, and I'm so excited, really cute like drinks, and they're gonna be so cute. Before we get started, actually, let me update you guys. We got an apron, so things really are getting serious on this channel over here. I ain't playing no more games. We're putting this on and we're getting real serious, and so is the content. I mean, I hope y'all take me seriously anyways, and my food seriously, but like, now that I got this, I just feel like a bad bitch. Y'all, I'm excited for this apron. Maddie said that this apron reminded her of like, what's it called? Bon Appetit. And I was like, yes, bitch, okay. Did I even tell you what we're making? We're making an egg sandwich, a pork sandwich, a fruit sandwich. I'm gonna make coffee jelly and also strawberry milk. Okay, so now that we're waiting for the coffee jelly to set in the fridge, that's gonna take about 2 hours. So we're gonna get started on the next longer thing, which is gonna be the fruit sandwich and the strawberry milk. So the fruit sandwich is gonna take about an hour to 2 hours to set. I mean, it could take, you can eat it immediately, but it just tastes better when the whipped cream gets a little bit more dense. So we're gonna do that next, and then we're also gonna make the strawberry milk because I already have the strawberries out here, and that's also gonna have time to soak up the sugars for it. So I'm super excited. I've never made the strawberry milk before, so this will be fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the smaller strawberries that we have. That way I can use the bigger ones for the sandwich. We are going to make the homemade whipped cream. So I don't have a hand mixer, so I'm literally going to use this. If you have a hand mixer, please use that because I'm telling y'all, it's gonna hurt a lot, but we're gonna do with what we have. So first, just get a half a pint of heavy whipping cream, sugar, and then that's it. And then get your whisk, get your KitchenAid mixer. If you're bougie and you got it like that, get that KitchenAid mixer. If you got a hand mixer, go get that. If you got these, grab 2, maybe grab 3, because you're literally, we're doing, I'm warning y'all, we're doing this for like 5 minutes. I'm trying not to get mad. But I read that this lady, that looks so funny, but I read that this lady was doing this shit with a fork. And I'm like, if she was doing this with a fork, I sure as hell can do it with this. If you're at this point, comment down below, hype me up, tell me I got it, tell me I'm strong enough, tell me I have enough energy. Y'all, that's when you know you did it. And now for the fun part, we're gonna assemble the sandwich. So I'm gonna add strawberries and orange into kiwi. And then I'm gonna use sliced brioche. So this is really good because it's sweet, but you can really use whatever bread that you have. Okay, so first line this with saran wrap because we're gonna have to cover the sandwich and it's just easier to get it on here first. Gonna get 1 slice of our brioche bread, the whipped cream we made, and then spread it evenly. Okay, so we're gonna put the fruit on diagonally, starting with the strawberry. I'm gonna put on here kiwi. I'm actually gonna cut this orange. And then you can fill the spaces with other fruit. I'm just gonna use it orange since this is what we have and I don't wanna waste it. Okay, and then we're just gonna fill in the space. Okay, now I'm gonna put a thin layer on this slice of bread as well. Just so the fruit doesn't get the bread soggy, this whipped cream is going to help kind of like protect it. Okay, and a pro tip is we have the fruit layered diagonally, so I'm gonna draw a line diagonal so I know to cut this way. And you'll see why, and it's gonna be so cute. Okay, so that sandwich is done, it's complete. Don't worry about the edges, this doesn't really matter. No one's gonna see it whenever we plate them, so it's fine. And then we're just gonna put it in the fridge for, like I said, about 1 hour to 2 hours. So next we're gonna make the egg and ham cucumber sandwich, and we're also gonna make a fried pork sandwich. These are gonna be so good. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna do the egg salad sandwich, and you just need a boiled egg, some Kewpie, I just kind of put this all over, and then some salt and pepper. And just mash this up. Oh, I forgot, I'm also going to add some spicy mustard. This is a fruit one. So I remember that the diagonal was this way. So cute! Okay, so now we're gonna make the strawberry milk. So I just have a cup. Going to pour in some of the strawberries. A little bit of heavy cream. Just cover it a little bit. And then I have 2% milk, but I'm sure you can use whatever kind of milk you like. I'm going to be weird though and add some ice cubes because the milk isn't that cold yet. That's the strawberry milk. Let's give this all a taste. I love egg salad. Ooh, I'm excited for this. This is a tonkatsu sandwich. It has purple cabbage, pickled carrots, okonomiyaki sauce, and it's just like a brown sweet sauce. You can get this at Asian market. I actually went there this morning. Japanese spicy mustard. It's so good. And then Kewpie mayonnaise. This is really good. It's a little bit cold because I was sitting down and had to take the pictures of the food. But if you ate this fresh, it would be so good. But even as a leftover, it's delicious. I think it's really good with the pickled carrots, which that just has rice vinegar, sugar, and I think a little bit of sesame oil. the hot mustard. Also, I really didn't need to cut off the crust. I don't know what I was thinking. I kept it on this one, but when I cut it off, it was hard for these two to stand. Okay, next we have the fruit sandwich. This is pretty popular in Japan. It's so good. It literally tastes like cake, especially with the brioche bread. It's absolutely delicious. It's even better because I hand whipped this whipped cream. I went to work for this whipped cream. So good. I mean, this could definitely like replace like a cake, birthday cake, so good. And you can put any fruit in here. So you can do grapes, blueberries. The orange part is so good. I think that's my favorite part, is the orange. And now we're trying the drink. I wish I would have gotten a little bit more like strawberry jam type. I should have smashed some of it and then kept some of it whole like they did. Still really good though. This is very tasty, and I just have like a boba straw with this. So good. Alright everybody, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, you already know what to do. Give it a like, that way I know that you like these cooking videos. Also, give me a comment on what recipe you'd like me to try next. And if you make these, tag me on Instagram, on your stories. I would love to see that. I think that'd be so fun. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this. Bye!